Hey, it's me again, Crystal. I bet you remember me from the How to Measure video. Now before you start installing, please watch this.
Hello, my name's Abby and I am a DIY expert. Today I'm going to show you everything you need to do before installing your curtains from DIYblinds. Just so you know, you'll need around 20 to 30 minutes for this installation. If you have large curtains over 3 meters, we recommend having a second person to help you. Firstly, you need to make sure that your window, floor and hands are all very clean. Then scan the QR code on your product box. This will take you to the DIYblinds website. Please make sure all the pieces in front of you match the list on that page. If they do, you're good to go. If not, contact us on 1300 918 390. Now get the following tools ready. You'll need a step ladder, a metal tape measure, a cordless drill with a Phillips head and 3mm drill bit, a pencil, and potentially a stud finder. Before drilling into any surface, there are a few things you need to work out. If you're drilling into wood, you should be fine to start, but if you're drilling into plaster, you have 2 options. The first option involves using a stud finder to locate where the wall studs or ceiling battens are. Your second option is to use Ramset 10mm hollow wall anchors, as these will help secure your curtain brackets to the plaster. You can also fix into concrete, stone, brick or tile as long as you use a masonry drill with the appropriate plugs, anchors and screws. Once you're 100% clear about what you need to do, please continue. But if there's anything you're not sure about, give DIYblinds a call before going any further.
Hey again. Now, as I've said before, I'm a roller skating expert, but I'm definitely not a DIY expert, which is why DIYblinds have asked me to show you how quick and easy it is to install your curtains. So let's get our skates on and start installing. First, lay your tracks near your window to work out how many brackets you need. Lay your brackets next to your track, spacing them 600mm apart. For 2 or more pieces of track, turn your track over and slide the track joiner partway into the rails. Then slide the joiner into the rails at the end of your second track and bring them together, like this, and tuck the black belt inside your tracks. Center the track joiner and tighten the screws. Now it's time to attach the arms. Turn your track over so the side with the track runner is facing the ceiling. Join the master carrier by pinching them together. Grab this 3-pronged block and insert it into the master carrier pieces, like this. Now take the lead arm and place it into the back of the master carrier, aligning it with the holes. Grab the back part of the lead arm and place it into the front of the master carrier. Next, insert the screws provided through your lead arm to join the parts to your master carrier. Flip your track over so it's the right way around, with the wider gap facing upwards to the ceiling. Grab a motor hook and slide it onto the outside of your drive pulley at the motor end. If you've chosen a face mount, we recommend attaching them to wall studs. But if it's a ceiling mount, we recommend attaching them to ceiling battens. Today I'm going to show you how to install a ceiling mount, but we'll highlight the steps you need to take if attaching to the wall. Using a stud finder, you need to find your ceiling battens or wall studs. Note, they can run lengthways or vertically across the ceiling. If you're fixing to the ceiling, you'll need to make marks 35mm out from your wall or from any window frames or roller blinds that project out. If you have a double track, make a second set of marks on each ceiling batten 145mm out from your wall. If you're fixing to the wall, use your stud finder to find your wall studs. Make a pencil mark at the exact height where your curtains will start. Brackets will need to be at both ends and the middle. Position the back of your brackets in line with the marks on your ceiling battens, like this. For both types of mount, mark the screw holes and screw your brackets in with your drill. Now, Pick up your track and click it into the middle bracket and then into your other brackets. Check as you go that the track is fixed securely in place. If you have a double track, repeat the previous steps. Now, attach your Zomfi motor. Lift the motor up to your drive pulley on the end where your motor will be. Open the latch on your motor and insert the rod into the hole on the underside of your drive pulley. Close the latch on your motor and make sure it's secure. We'll show you how to get it working later. Now it's time to hang your curtains. For S-fold curtains, remove 2 pendants from the curtain at the lead arm end of the curtain track and 1 on the motor end. Click each of the remaining pendants on your curtain panel into the runners hanging from your track. Now, click 2 buttons directly to the lead arm. Make an S shape as you go by folding the fabric alternately forwards and backwards. For pleated curtains, grab your curtain panel. Hook your curtains into the runners hanging from your track, starting at the outside. Make sure you hook your curtains into the motor hooks. Your curtains should now hang beautifully. Next, please watch our How to Set Up Your Zomfi Remote for Motorized Curtains video. If things aren't rolling along smoothly, just call us on 1300 918 390.